reasons why your zippo will not light. Four, five. Took me 5 times to light it. This is an old zippo. If you can't see it clearly, there's a number over here with the 06 over here. That's the year. This is 2006. And this is Zippo, Brantford, Maine, US. So it's an old lighter. And I had it for a long time, and you can't see it or not, but in the con on the inside, some of it's torn up. And it's really destroyed and old. I replaced the wick and the flint. And sometimes it won't light, and the problem with that is probably because sometimes you have to turn your zippo, flip it upside down like this for a minute or two. You gotta let the fluid soak into the wick. It just won't soak in for some reason if you just leave it like that. So if you leave that for a minute, you'll probably be able to start it up. 5, 6. It's not working right now. Leave your zippo like this. Hang it upside down. And it should start to light. And if you don't know how to replace your wick, you just stick the wick through the top part. That's it. You can use the shell to unscrew it and unscrew this part and take out the flint. It. It's not working right now, but this is an old zippo. It's probably the way you put in the wick, or replace the cotton if you want it to work properly. I haven't replaced the cotton yet, so all you gotta do is flip it upside down. That's it.